Have you ever wondered what really happens from the moment you bite into food until it leaves your body? In this video, we're walking through the entire human digestive system, from mouth to colon, explaining every major structure, every enzyme, and how your body absorbs nutrients to keep you alive. Digestion begins in the mouth, where mechanical and chemical digestion start working together. Teeth break food into smaller pieces. Saliva from the salivary glands contains amylase, which breaks down starch into maltose. Lipase, in small amounts, starts fat digestion. The chewed food becomes bolus and is swallowed via the esophagus, guided by peristalsis. The bolus enters the stomach through the lower esophageal sphincter. Now things get acidic. The stomach contains gastric glands made of specialized cells. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, which lowers pH to about 2, activates pepsinogen, and kills microbes. Chief cells secrete pepsinogen, which becomes pepsin in acid and breaks proteins into peptides. G cells release gastrin, a hormone that stimulates more hydrochloric acid production. Mucus cells protect the stomach lining with alkaline mucus. Mechanical churning and chemical digestion turn the bolus into chyme, which enters the duodenum in small squirts. The small intestine is where the real digestion and absorption happen. It's divided into 3 sections. The duodenum, which is about the first 10 inches, receives bile from the liver and gallbladder to emulsify fats. It also gets pancreatic enzymes like amylase, which continues carbohydrate digestion, lipase that breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol, trypsin and chymotrypsin for protein breakdown into peptides, and nucleases that break down DNA and RNA. Additionally, the duodenum receives bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. The jejunum is the major site of absorption, taking in glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. It contains villi and microvilli to increase surface area. The ileum absorbs vitamin B12 bile salts and any remaining nutrients. Sugars and amino acids enter the bloodstream, while fats are absorbed into lymphatic capillaries called lacteals. Next, undigested material moves into the large intestine, which includes the cecum, colon, and rectum. The primary functions of the large intestine include water reabsorption and ion absorption. Sodium and chloride are reabsorbed mainly in the ascending colon, while potassium is absorbed in the distal colon. Additionally, vitamin K and B vitamins are produced by gut bacteria and absorbed. Lastly, the large intestine is responsible for the formation and storage of feces. Eventually, the material reaches the rectum, triggering defecation through the anal sphincter. Carbohydrates. In the mouth, salivary amylase breaks them down into maltose. Then, in the small intestine, pancreatic amylase and brush border enzymes convert them into glucose. Proteins are first tackled in the stomach, where pepsin breaks them down into peptides. Then, in the small intestine, enzymes like trypsin and chymotrypsin further break them down into amino acids. Fats are digested exclusively in the small intestine. Bile emulsifies the fats, making them easier to break down. Then, lipase breaks them down into fatty acids and monoglycerides. These are absorbed via lacteals into the lymph system. Your digestive system is an incredibly complex, efficient machine. From your mouth to your colon, it breaks down everything you eat into usable nutrients, absorbs them, and eliminates the rest. If this helped you understand digestion, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth human biology content.